Hello everyone, we're gonna install FOSUserBundle in this tutorial, but first we're gonna need to generate a bundle that will hold the FOSUser. This is just the best practice way. We can use any way we want. So we need to generate a bundle. We'll call it, for example, users bundle that will hold the user entity of FOSUserBundle. Our bundle is ready, as you can see. Now we need to add to create the user entity that will extend the model user of FOSUserBundle. We're gonna see it later. This entity won't have any attributes because it will take the attributes provided by FOSUser. It will extend the FOSUser entity. First step, we need to enable the translation because FOSUser uses the translation. So we need to go to app config and config the comments in EML. We just add hashtag. So if we remove the hashtag, we are enabling the translation. After that, we download the FOSUserBundle using Composer. First, we need to add Composer to our windows. There are too many ways to add Composer. We could use the Composer setup installer or the command lines. We have this file, Composer, and with that file we could start Composer install to install any bundle we want. Same file. And this is the Composer setup way. Pretty easy, just next, that's it. And after some time, we will get the FOSUser installed. we could find it here in the vendor folder, branch of Symfony. Now, step 2, enabling the bundle. You just need to copy this line and you need to put it in the app kernel file. With that, this bundle is now activated. Step 3, we need to create our user class that will extend the FOSUser model. We have it already here, user entity. So we're gonna make some modification. We could just copy and paste. It's almost the same information with some modifications. And paste. We're gonna make some changes, changing the namespace. It's not the app bundle, it's users bundle. And extending the base user. Base user class is just a PHP class which is in the model folder. We will take a look at this user model. Has too many attributes that we need. That's it for step 3. Step 4, we need to copy and paste this. This is for the security. In the app folder, config folder, and then security YAML. Step 5, configuration. We need to add this code to the config YAML. Since we are using ORM, like the step 3, we need to change the user class the same as our class that extends the model. Now step 6, we need to add the routing to our routing file. And the last step is just to update our database schema. we need to change the database name. It's not something we need to, for example, put football, since it's the football app. We don't have the database, but we need to create it using the command line 2. It will create the database using the football name. Now we have the football database, but it's empty, it doesn't have any table. We need to launch the schema update command again with force, and that's it. We have one query which will add our user entity to that football database. It has all the fields that we saw in the user model. And that's it. We added the FOSUserBundle. All the steps, 7 steps. It's worth it. Thanks for watching. See you soon.